Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady, and today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing with you from the one with the diamond art. Now, typically their canvases are shipped in these cardboard boxes, but I have to point out that if you order more than one canvas, you will likely get two canvases shipped in the same box, which is why this one is already out of the box, because I was concerned that perhaps half of my order didn't ship. But today, the canvas that I have to show you is Crystal Fox by the artist Parente Illustrations. So this I got in a 40 by 50 with ABs, and we're just going to have a look at this now. Look at that little fox. Isn't he so cute? Oh, he's lovely. He's so cute. And man, immediately color blocking heaven. If you like color blocking, this is definitely going to be a kit for you. So now all the diamonds that come with the one with the diamond art are resin drills, so we're going to look at those in a minute. This is the toolkit that comes with the painting. You get your, it's in a bag, whoops, that's gone. That was some wax in a little caddy. We get some very nice little washi tape here, it's purple. We get a bag, inside a bag, with a tray and some slice of wax there. We get some tweezers. Even though this is a round kit, it's unlikely that we'll be needing the tweezers for a round kit. You get a pen and a squishy. We get some multi-placers and some little baggies to kit up your, or kit down into your leftover drills. So, and of course, the little caddy of wax that I threw all over the floor. So you screw that off and you get 3 little circles of wax. There, they have a plastic film on, so be careful to take the plastic film off before you stab your pen into them. And yeah, try not to throw them all over the floor like I just did. So this kit, let's move everything out of the way over there. Have a quick look at the drill field, see if there's any issues that we might be seeing on here. So the drill field looks nice and clear. I don't think there's going to be many symbols on here that we're going to mix up at all, because it's a lot of colour blocking in this kit. So this kit has 40 colours and 2 ABs, so we're going to get into the diamonds. So immediately I'm spotting our first AB drill, which is this very shiny blue, but we will open this up and try and find where the other AB is. If I can find my way into this, that is. There we go. So we know we have this blue AB. See what else we're looking for. There's the inventory sheet that comes with it. It shows you all the colours that we'll be working with today, and the weight and the quantity of each of the diamonds. And the paper inventory sheet saying 40 colours, and those are our 2 ABs at the bottom. We're looking for an A and a D symbol. So immediately there's a lot of white. Oh, there he is. There's the other AB. He's just waiting for us. So this very pretty pink colour. So where do we think these are going to go on the canvas? We will find out in just a second. But look at this big bag. Look at all of these diamonds for the background. That is probably the biggest bag of diamonds I've ever seen. Right, so let's try and work out where our 2 ABs are going to go on this kit. Move these diamonds out of the way. So it doesn't look like we have many of these blue ABs at all. I'm seeing a couple, there's one there, and there's 3 down here. And I think that's pretty much it for the blue ABs. Now, where are we finding these little peach ones? This is an A symbol. So far, the only place I'm noticing the kind of creamy ABs is sort of down here in the fox's mouth. But I don't seem to see very many others. So I'm a bit surprised, because if I was charting ABs, I would have had most of this crystal being AB and shiny rather than just a few in odd places. But we will see what it looks like when we work it up. Right, so with this order, I actually got a free gift with it, which was, ta-da, a bookmark. So I'm not sure, I've seen other people on the Facebook group get these as well. So I'm assuming it's when you place your first order through the website that you'll get possibly a free bookmark gift. So we're just gonna have a look at these because immediately, can you see these pretty, pretty diamonds right here? These are crystal diamonds and they're so pretty and sparkly. So I'm very tempted to just do the bookmark with regular coloured drills and then save these for like a special project. But we'll just quickly open this and have a look at the bookmark gift. They also have a section of bookmarks on their website as well. So if you want to buy a bookmark gift for yourself or someone else, they do have these. These immediately, that feels nice. That's leather. That has a really nice feel to it. And you've got the little plastic. Is that sticky? Yeah, that's very sticky. You get a little green tray with some pink wax and a pen. You get beautiful crystal drills. And you get this, which we will attach to the top of your bookmark, which is quite nice. I won't take it out because I'll end up losing it, but it feels very soft. And having a look at these drills again, we've got some beautiful greens, pinks, reds. Oh, that one's very interesting. That's sort of like a red metallic-y colour. Not sure if that'll show up, unfortunately, with my lighting, but they're very, very pretty, these ones. So anyway, I hope this video was somewhat helpful for you in deciding if you wanted to try and purchase a kit from the one with the diamond art. They do legally license all of their artwork that they sell, and it comes on this very nice felt canvas with resin drills in a variety of sizes, drill shapes. You can include ABs or not if you're not a fan of AB drills, which are the super sparkly Aurora Borealis drills that I just showed you earlier, these ones. So anyway, I hope this gives you a better idea of what to expect when ordering from this company. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like on your way out if you found it helpful in any way, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye!